How's it going? Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to change where you want to back up your iTunes and basically store it on someplace other than the hard drive on your computer. As you can see here, I am on my iTunes. This is on my Mac, so this essentially works with both Macs and PCs. So what you're going to do is one, you're going to go and click where it says iTunes. You are going to click on that, and right under the Preference tab, you're going to click on that. And then what you're going to come up with is a set of settings here. You have your general, playback, sharing, downloads, store, restrictions, devices, and advanced. Now what you're going to do is you're basically going to click on advanced and iTunes media folder location. So basically what this means, as you can see where I keep my iTunes folder at, is that basically say you want to keep space on your computer and you don't want to fill it up too much with your music and your videos that you download and save on iTunes. Basically what you would do is you select the change, and then what you would do is you would select, if you have an external hard drive, it will be listed. This would be the same for PC as well. It will be listed on your devices. And what you would do is you select that device. As you can see, Seagate is where I keep my iTunes and everything iTunes, music and videos and TV shows and movies. And you will select the folder. So basically, if you don't have a folder created yet, basically you would just select on the device, and then from there you would click open. And what it's going to do is it's going to relocate everything that you have that was on your original hard drive onto your external hard drive or any other device that you have that you'll be using as iTunes media. And what I mean using an external, I mean basically using a device that you are going to keep connected to your computer pretty much at all times, because generally if you do like a thumb drive or anything like that there's not a, that's that you got to plug in and remove, that means every time you buy new music or new videos or new anything on iTunes, it's gonna by default put it on whatever device or whatever your folder is on your hard drive. So say you have it on your computer under your media. Well, every time you buy, like instead of music or something, now it's going to go on your hard drive on your main computer in your media folder. So that means that every time you put in your thumb drive, you're going to have to consistently update it so that it keeps updating everything that you currently bought. So it's easy to keep it on a external on your desktop, like say a terabyte or so external, and just keep that connected to it, and make sure that every time you are downloading music or videos or TV shows, that it's being uploaded directly into that folder. And this is just a quick way of doing this. It's actually easier this way. So say you've got like a terabyte of hard drive space and you want to keep a certain amount of space without filling it all up, and you have iTunes or anything like that, then you would use basically this function here to change the location of your media folder so that you can free up space on your hard drive, as well as also keeping, you do have 5 gigs of storage for your iTunes, free cloud storage. Unfortunately, that's not really a lot when it comes to storing stuff. So keeping it on external and then using that would be a lot more easier. So that's just a quick tutorial on how to remove, or basically how to move your media folder in iTunes from one hard drive to the next without having to worry about, am I going to lose everything if I do this, or I've got too much storage, what am I doing with my iTunes? I might have to start deleting stuff. You won't have to delete anything, basically. So that is it. And my next video that I'll be posting, I'm also going to show you how to do it on your iOS device. So again, thanks for watching. So like and subscribe to my videos, and that way you can keep up with tutorials, because I'm going to be doing a lot more tutorials as well. I also have a few more that I have in my that I have on my YouTube channel that I update every once in a while. I'm starting to get more into it so that I can help people who just bought new Apple devices, or who have always wanted to know how to do this and wasn't really sure. Like and subscribe, and I will try to keep up as much as I can with my videos. If you have any suggestions on something, that you want to see done, or if you want know how to do it, just leave a comment, and I will be more than happy to kind of give you a quick overview on how to do this, or I'll make a video so that if other people have questions on it, they will know how to do it as well. Thanks.